Hey man, what's going on? I really like the stuff on your channel. This one video, the Paco new blog hip hop conspiracy thing you got going on. I think it's a real good idea. Um, you asked if there was anybody that was doing, a lot of YouTube videos and if they had any advice for you or any technical support and stuff. Well, there's a program called Tube TV, Tube TV. Okay, what this thing does is, say you want to have a news clip or a little snippet of the politician line or whatever it is that you're talking about in your video. If you want something to add a little flavor to it to give it some spice, just take this program Tube TV, download it to your computer. It allows you to take any Flash-based media, which is everything on YouTube and a lot of other sites. Flash is one of the most common forms of uh, video format that there is on the internet, and it allows you to download it and stick it right on your desktop, and it's free. I'd like to ask you a question. Do you have video editing software, and if you do, what kind it is? What kind is it? Because I use Mac, and if it's a Mac thing, I can help you. But if it's not Macintosh, I can't. But yeah, keep up the good work, and I'm looking forward to seeing videos. But yeah, using the program Tube TV has helped me a lot because it's given me the ability to take video from other sources and to validate what I'm saying. Because who wants to see my face on a screen just talking? But anywho, yeah, um, give me a shout out if this helped you any. All right.